In this video, we'll be solving this logarithmic equation. We have the natural log of x, and the whole thing is raised to the third power, and then on the other side we have equals the natural log of x to the fourth. Well, this natural log of x to the fourth can be rewritten as 4 times the natural log of x. The left-hand side can't be rewritten in any other way, so we'll just write the natural log of x. The whole thing is cubed. And now let's subtract the 4 natural log x from each side. So what we get is the natural log of x, the whole thing cubed, minus 4 natural log of x equals 0. This looks like something we can factor, and in general, if you see something like this where some quantity is raised to the second power or third power, textbooks like to throw this in to kind of remind you that you can use some factoring to solve this. So we're going to factor out the natural log of x. So if we factor that out, we get the natural log of x. What's left on the inside, or what would we have to multiply that by to get what's left up here? Well, the natural log of x, quantity squared, minus 4. The nice thing about factoring is you can always check it by just multiplying through what you just factored out. So what we have now is the natural log of x times this quantity. This part here looks like a difference of squares, like x squared or a squared minus b squared form. So we're going to show that, and I'll still write this natural log of x, that's just this factor, and then we'll factor this part, the natural log of x plus 2 times the natural log of x minus 2 equals 0. So now you've got these 3 factors. Any one of them could equal 0 for this equation to be true. So now you've got these 3 mini equations, I like to call them. So natural log of x equals 0. And remember here that the natural log is really just log base e. So to solve this, we can say, well, e to the 0 power equals x. E to the 0 power equals x, or that is x equals 1. So that is one of our solutions. Let's do it with the other two. We have the natural log of x plus 2 equals 0, or the natural log of x equals negative 2. Again, I'm going to visually put this e here, so e to the negative 2 equals x. So that's another solution. X equals e to the negative 2. And the third one, you could pause it and try to solve it yourself, or what we have is natural log of x minus 2 equals 0. Natural log of x equals 2. So again, this is like the log base e of x equals 2. So e squared equals x. So x equals e squared. Now, just to save time in this video, I'm not going to write all of these nice right by each other, but these are the 3 solutions: 1, e to the negative 2, and e to the second power. I hope that helps.